Hi everyone, welcome to Attari Classes. Let's start our CCNA interview question series. So my dear friend, the first question is, what is networking? And what is a LAN, a local area network? Now let's try to understand what is networking and what is LAN with an example. For example, there is a company. In that company, there are 100 employees and there are 100 computers and there is a boss, which is there in every company. So this is the boss computer. And these are the employees' computers. Employee A is sitting here in computer 1, employee B is sitting here in computer 2, employee C is sitting here in computer 3. Now, what the boss says, daily what you people are doing now, all the 100 employees, daily what you do from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Create an Excel sheet, put daily what you are doing. From 9 a.m. you came to office, you went to breakfast. 9:30 you came, you started your work. Everything I want to know from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. And after your shift ends at 6 p.m., everyone will email me. Everyone will email me. Everyone. Obviously, boss is saying, so everyone will do. So everyone does the same thing. Whatever they have done in the entire day, they send that report to the boss. Now, the problem the boss is facing is, my dear friend, boss has to go to his email and check each and every person's email. A's email, then download that Excel. Then B's email, download that Excel. C's email, download that Excel. A boss says, yeah, 100 email I have to go, and 100 email I have to click and download the Excel. Then further I have to read them, that what they have done. That is fine. Boss wanted to know. But the boss is, instead of they sending me the email, instead of I going to the email and downloading, can we have something like this where they will not send me the email? Whatever they have done, their Excel, they will put in a folder. So the employee A Excel will be there, employee B Excel sheet will be there, employee C Excel sheet will be there in this folder. And they will put their daily work here in this Excel sheet. They will not email me, they will put it here, and then I will go and check in this folder. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. A lot of time will be saved. No? Sending email, boss going to the email, downloading. Instead of that, employees directly accessing the folder, putting their Excel sheet there, and in their Excel sheet putting whatever they have done on daily basis, and boss going and checking. No need of downloading the email, no need of sending the email. So can we do this? Yes, we can do this. How? With the help of networking, because here we want the communication to happen between this computer and the boss computer, between this computer and the boss computer, between this computer and the boss computer. We need to enable communication between them. Why? Because we want sharing of resource, like sharing of files, folders, and sharing of resource also. Resource example I will give you. So we require networking to enable communication between these computers. And that is the need of networking. Why do we need networking? To enable communication between network devices. So networking is the process of connecting devices to enable communication. Devices like computers, mobile, servers, etc. can communicate. A lot of devices are there, computer, mobile, server, printer, and so on, can communicate with each other through networking. And networking allows sharing of files, internet, resources. Sharing of file example I've given you. Internet example I will give you. Resource example like printer I will give you. Now, how to create this networking, my dear friend? We take a device known as switch. You might be thinking, what is switch? Don't worry. In our interview question series, it will come. What is switch? Switch is a device which helps to connect in the same network. This is a simple definition of switch. Now, with the help of switch, you create networking. Then cables are required. In the word of networking, these cables are known as LAN cables. A device is required like switch. Cables are required. Then further, in the word of networking, IP address is required. We have to give IP address to all the devices which are connected to the network. What is IP? IP address works like an identity. Example, I have a name, you have a name. If I don't have a name, will you be able to identify me? No. And my name is what? My name is Zamir, Z-A-M-W-R. So my dear friend, I have a name, you have a name. My name is my identity, your name is your identity. If I want to say you something, for example, I can start with your name. If you want to say me something, you can start with my name. You can address with my name. Okay. So the way in the word of networking, IP address is their identity. Then take a switch, take LAN cables, give IP address. Then, my dear friends, because of this network, share folders can be created. This kind of folders in the company are known as share folders. Share folders can be created, and Excel, these employees will be able to access this share folder. The boss will be able to access the share folder, and now they can put their Excel sheet there, and whatever they are doing between 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. they're putting there. Boss, no need to go and download email, because employees are not sending email now. They are directly putting their documents in the share folder, and the boss goes to the share folder, access those documents, and see what they have done. So, my dear friend, this kind of network, in networking, there are different types: LAN, WAN, MAN. This kind of network is known as LAN, local area network. Meaning, when you take up a switch, you take LAN cables, you give IP addresses, you create a LAN. A network which is local to you, which is near to you, is known as LAN, local area network. Which is controlled by you is known as LAN, local area network. And in LAN, you get very good bandwidth, meaning the data transfer will be very fast, very fast. In LAN, you get very good bandwidth. Good bandwidth meaning, for example, you are right now connected via internet. What is the internet link bandwidth you have? You will tell me 100 Mbps, 50 Mbps. Is there anyone who is using 1 Mbps internet? Or half of 1 MB, 512 KB? No, no. That is all old. I mean, 1 MB, who will use in today's world? Meaning, might be using, but very, very less, because at least in India, in our country, we have very good internet speed. So 20 Mbps, 25 Mbps, 10 Mbps, 50 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 300 Mbps, that is common at home. So more bandwidth meaning faster data transfer, correct? If you have 1 Mbps internet link, try to download some file from the internet. And if you have 100 Mbps internet link, try to download some files, you will see the difference. So in LAN, the bandwidth is very good, very fast data transfer happens. And LAN is something which is local, which is near, and which is controlled by the company. Okay. And in LAN, bandwidth is very high. So coming back to LAN definition, networking definition, what is networking? We have discussed. What is LAN? LAN is a group of network devices connected to each other. It covers a small geographical area, such as same room, same building, same office. And LAN is completely controlled by the one who creates the LAN. Like the one, for example, you take a switch, you take computers, you connect via LAN cable, you give IP, you created a LAN. The LAN is completely controlled by you. And in LAN, you get a very good bandwidth, meaning very fast data transfer, high speed data transfer. Then, taking some more examples of the importance of networking. For example, in companies, we all know that we require printer to print out something. If networking is not there, na, my dear friend, then for every employee, we have to give one printer, every employee. So 100 computer, 100 printer, plus one printer for the boss, 101 printer. Buddy, cost will be very high. And companies, they think about saving cost. So because of networking, you have a network, you connect the printer to the network, and one printer can be used by all of them. Okay. So the cost of printer, cost is saved because of networking. Because of networking, files can be shared. Sharing of files are possible. Then because of networking, internet link, your company can take an internet link. An internet link is connected here, for example, to the router. Your company can take an 100 Mbps internet link. And what is the job of router? Simple answer. Router job is to connect two different network, meaning your network, this is your network, to internet. That is the job of router, connecting different network. Your home network, your office network to internet. Simple example. Here, not just internet, main job of the router is to connect to different network. And the main job of the switch is to connect in the same network. Okay. Now going ahead. Anyways, in the upcoming interview question series, you will get some more idea about switch, what is router. The point which I want to pass here right now is that because of the network, this one internet link can be used by all these computers, by all of them. Otherwise, if network is not there, then every computer requires its own internet connection, internet dongle. You can go to Google and search internet dongles are there, separate internet connection for every device. So many internet dongles the company has to buy and give internet separately to each and every computer. That is very costly and challenging. It is because of networking, one internet link can be shared by all of them. So my dear friend, coming back to our point, because of networking, what is possible? Connecting of devices is possible. Okay, and sharing of resources like file, internet, printers, etc. It is possible. Okay. So what we have discussed now, what is networking? It is a popular interview question. What is LAN? This is also a popular interview question. If you like to get more understanding, okay, so then you can go to our website, that is lms.attariclasses.in. We teach 5 courses: VMware, AWS, Azure, Windows Server, CCNA. Okay, if you want to learn more about CCNA. in more detail, because we take live hands-on practical training where we discuss theory and we prove that theory in the form of practical. Attari class believes in live practical training, live hands-on practical training, learning by doing. Okay, so you can go here and you can watch the 2 lectures for free, the demo lecture and lecture 1 for free, to get a more detailed understanding. I'd like to thank you. Bye.